Hey guys, me and Alex are back for episode 6 of WTF. So we're back. If you haven't checked out series 1 or the first 5 episodes, make sure you check out our WTF playlist.
Yeah.
You will know though if you've been watching Alex's one ahead, 3, 2.
Took a little stumble there in the middle.
I'm ready to even out. Do you want to open it up?
Yeah, I'll open it up. Oh.
Oh. This is really fun.
There's a whole plain birthday cake in there. Damn,
son.
Matt's getting experimental over here. So, hello, Kate and Alex. We are still laughing over last week. What a cracking episode.
That was good.
That was.
Huge congratulations to the chubbiest bunny in the kitchen, Alex!
Hey.
Now, 3-2 up in the series. For this week's challenge, you will have to channel your inner artist as you both take part in the cake decorator challenge.
Unless it's carving, I'm no good.
No.
Really easy one this week. All you have to do is copy the picture we have included in the box onto the top of your cake using icing pens. Where is the catch, you ask? Oh, there isn't one.
I just forgot. This is WTF and there's always a catch. Matt is loving the writing this week.
God, Matt's creative writing skills are just through the roof this week.
No! You have to have your hands tied behind your back the whole time. You have 10 minutes to decorate your cake. When the time is up, you will then put both your masterpieces to an Instagram story vote. That's really good, isn't it?
Yeah, that's cool. After 10 minutes, the public will have decided their winner and they will take home this week's win.
Good luck, guys, the WTF team. Do you know what's exciting about this? And what's also...
here's the
we
photo.
bring back Bart.
Bart is back. Bart's back in the house. My Bart was all right though. Was that the one that?
Yeah, it was good.
No, was that the one? That was the one I thought was good, and then I saw it on camera and I realised it wasn't. That's season 1. Go check it out.
But what's crazy about this is we're gonna have 2 cakes in the house.
Oh, goodness sake.
Dangerous.
Well, I'm going to Nice, so I won't be having any.
I'll be having them all.
And we've still got a bit of Skoda Farbia over there, so.
And it's delicious because it's Madeira cake layered with buttercream and raspberry.
A nice little layer of
well
the jam.
picked, Matthew.
Well done, Matt. Well
I love
done,
this
Matt.
box. Very like pastel.
Yeah. Right then, so we've got to. This is what I don't understand about this challenge is we also have to pick them up with our mouths.
Yeah. Oh, we're ready.
I'm just a bit apprehensive about picking these up with my mouth.
I know.
Right, are we ready for this?
Not really, but yeah. 3,
2,
1, go. Alright. This is the biggest challenge of it all. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, my word.
Almost took that out of my mouth with my hand.
That pen had to be so far in my mouth, I was literally gagging. How are you so good? So good, no?
This is probably actually better than if I used my hands.
I definitely.
I wish I'd washed these before
I definitely
I started doing
unproportioned.
Oh, cut my lip. Ah. Oh.
My eyes are going weird. Okay.
No. Can I get that one back?
Are your eyes going weird?
Yeah, I will contact lenses.
Ah! I've got a bit of hair in my mouth. They're making me gag. Are they not making you gag?
What's the time, Ref? Oh, 5 minutes 40.
I just pressed it so far into the cake. How are you able? I've got like. Can I squeeze my icing down? Because it's literally not coming out.
I know what you mean now. Oh my word. I almost threw up. I can't put down my mouth anymore. It makes me feel sick.
Yeah. I'm spending half of the time getting the thing in my mouth.
What are we going to do about his eyes? Because we... Oh. Let's check a colour.
Oh, that's what I have.
Yeah, I got some washed over another.
Mine looks awful.
15 seconds.
50.
Ah. I must have so many cuts since I've ever had that. Right, I think that's about all I can do on that one. Oh, yours is good. Yours has got some good detail. How did you smash
really
it
good as
around?
well.
Right, the only thing is I got...
No, come on, quick. You've got blue in your beard and yellow in your nose. What
And
have
you've
I
got yellow
got?
on your nose.
Okay, should we show our... Yours is really good. It's like abstract.
Better than I thought it was going to be. What do you think?
We'll do an Instagram
Yeah.
poll and they will decide the winner.
Yeah.
However, we should let the people on YouTube see who their winner is.
So let us know in the comments box down below who do you think has got the best Bart Simpson cake.
But we're going to do it very fair because on Instagram we're not going to say it's Alex's
Yeah.
and it's mine. We're going to put the two cakes up and say A
Whereas
or B.
you guys can say, do you prefer mine?
Or do you
Kate?
prefer mine? Okay, can you talk me through your process?
My process was get outline done
I see.
and then try and fill it in, but obviously you can't fill it in that well. So I started with the head, then I moved on to the shape of the body, and then I think the skateboard. Then I filled in the arms and then the legs.
You've done better because you've got the legs in there, which is really good.
For some reason, it did, like this was almost easier than if I used my hand.
No, you know
Actually.
you were saying, how do you get mine to spread over?
You were smashing it around.
No, what
Your
I
nose.
decided to, no, not with my nose. What I decided to do was put this in my mouth this way.
Oh, the other way, and moved it around. That's clever.
I
That's
used it as a
ingenious.
scraper,
Yeah,
but
that's
then
a very
loads
good
of it
idea.
was going in my mouth. I was like, oh. And also, so I got to the gagging bit first, and you were
Yeah.
literally like, what, no? And
Yeah.
then you eventually went,
Yeah, disgusting.
Okay, so we'll be back, and we'll let you know who wins
Yeah.
in a minute.
So we're back for the results. It was 10 minutes. Matt has taken a screenshot and it's on Kate's phone. So Kate is going to reveal with her thumb.
I'm looking for bottom, you are looking
I'm
for
looking
top.
for top. And this, just so everyone knows the stakes, at the moment, this whole series is 3-2 to me. So
I need to win this
Kate
to
needs
draw.
to win this to draw, and I need this to just pull
Get
away
ahead.
a little bit.
We still got icing on our noses.
3, 2,
Two,
1.
one.
What's it saying? I can't see from here.
Ready?
Yeah.
Bottom!
By like 75%.
By a slide. So Alex has got 26% and I've got bottom. Now,
I do think though, mine looks a lot scruffier because it's a lot of lines. The way you've filled yours out really makes it
I
look
think
better.
it's the eyes and the mouth. Do you
Yeah.
not think?
Whereas mine
'Cause
looks like a kid's drawing. Yours actually looks a bit like Bart.
I personally think yours, in out of it all, looks really good. But I think it's because I've established the white around the eyes.
Yeah,
Whereas
and also
yours-
I think mine's like an artistic impression.
I think so.
And I think that just hasn't come across on Instagram.
No.
The thing is, I'm happy because that was fun.
That was fun,
and
yeah.
the people have spoken. I got destroyed.
Thank you to everyone who voted in those quick 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm surprised how many people voted actually.
Yeah, and if you don't follow us on Instagram and you want to be involved in the next vote like this, then follow us Instagram in the kitchen with Kate.
We'll post things like this more often, especially
Yeah.
with WTF. And also, it'll be nice to see who does actually win, because I
Yeah.
wonder if later on you get more votes.
Maybe.
So maybe we can pop in the description box who won the final vote.
Yeah, and if you just want to follow me on Instagram, it's Al Murday. I'll leave it linked here. So, at the halfway break in the series,
No, we're on episode 6.
just past the halfway break in the series, episode 6, it's 3-3. We've only
Real.
got 4 more episodes to go. Yeah, I did. Did
Yours
you
has
enjoy
gone
it?
really crusty.
So's yours.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that. I'm glad you actually enjoyed that and you didn't
Yeah.
get too
It's like a silly challenge, so you
Yeah,
can't get
it's
too
fun, yeah.
like thingy about
worked
it.
up about
Work.
it. worked up. Anyway, I really enjoyed that.
Okay.
We hope you enjoyed that as well.
That's the main thing, you enjoyed it.
We both enjoyed it.
Right.
What I love about these WTF videos is that everyone could do these at home themselves, can't they? So go grab some cakes and some icing pens and go enjoy this challenge as well.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed it and we'll see you very soon. Bye guys.
See ya.